Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we have an unboxing of magnetic USB Type-C charging cable. Links to the product I put in the description below. Okay, let's take a closer look what we here have. How you can see, this cable comes in a very simple and cheap plastic bag. I ordered my cable in red color. The length of this cable is 1 meter, not very long, but for test purposes will be okay. What I find a good solution is the nylon braiding. I think it's more durable than plastic cables, and the touch feeling is soft. This cable supports up to 2.4 ampere current, and the Type-C tip with magnet seems to be not bad for the money. The magnet itself, on my opinion, seems to be not very strong. But I must say, strong enough for smartphone. All over I must say that this cable is worth the money. Build quality is good enough, the package, of course, is cheap. I forgot to say that it doesn't have a fast charging when I tested on my Samsung. The magnet is middle strong. That's all, thanks for watching, like and subscribe to see other videos.